Guys, I'm gonna show you a moment for your back, especially for your latissimus dorsi. We use 2 dumbbells for that, and we have a set. It looks like a rare deltoid, but it is not. Just be careful when you do that. We try to isolate our biceps brachial from our lats, so the movement is not from bicep, it's from back. Just focus on your back. Remember, muscle-mind connection. Here we go. Then, when you go back, remember to squeeze the muscles. Squeeze it, baby. Squeeze it. Right, Steve?